bouncing out the cage, filling up the pages, but don't mean to be cliche. Yeah, 3-pointer, so I'm showing you the range, and I'm throwing you the ball. Die for it, hit the pavement. Wheels breaking, I meant, can I get my payment? I remember playing songs on the train, in the rain, window pane, lyrics brain, all went to another continent. These rhymes I bend till I know it's prominent. Feel the noise from the den, and they waiting for the drop. Cause I do it non-stop, stop. Stacking days since.
Traveling on this road a long way, cherry in my bowls on the long days. For Pete's sake.
Self-made rich, that's why every day I prayed it. Took a college class, now I'm feeling hella jaded. Blazed every day, boy, I was hella faded. Fuck a social class, man, we was elevating. Walk a fine line, always on my contemplating. Pop a tab of acid, fuck around and talk to Satan. Sleeping with the devil, lingerie, lacing Satan. Pillow talking, lying still, she be masquerading. In a new dress, come relieve my stress. She feeling on my neck and kissing on my vest. She one of my friends, girl straight out of Quebec. Seen all of my fence world, but she come correct. She bit of a bent, girl, whenever I inspect. Keep all of my blunts pearled, off of the effect. Got all of my thoughts swirled, is this my descent? On the finger and I'm twirled, is she heaven sent?
Traveling on this road a long way, cherry in my bowls on the long day.
Yeah,
For Pete's sake.
Who you dissing? I roll a Dutch and I'm never switching. Pissing on the haters, they steady bitching, they lack ambition. Toting on their shape, Cadillac, cataract, they lacking vision. Packed to the jetpack and they crack, smacking, they chapping, they lipping. Gotta hold they own because they know when they see me. They be chilling with a villain, they finna see on the TV. It's appealing to be feeling, revealing with my emotions. But I guess I express it in a manner unlike slow motion. Cause you the pencil I'm pushing, the stencil man make a woman. Potential never been here, and I'm making bets that I wouldn't. I'm calling shots that I shouldn't. I chill with dudes that be crooked. I shoot for indifferent women, that's why I never hit a bullet.